Welcome to another Excel tutorial. In today's video, we're diving into how to rank your sales data using 3 different methods in Excel. Whether you're handling small data sets or large ones with duplicates, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly which approach fits best for your scenario. Let's jump right in with the first method, using the classic rank.eq formula. In column C, I'll start by typing rank as the header. Then, in cell C2, I'll enter the formula. Type equal rank.eq and open parentheses. The first parameter is the number we want to rank, in this case, B2. The second parameter is the range we're ranking against, from B2 to B61. Then press F4, otherwise, when dragging the formula down, it will change the range. The third parameter controls the ranking order. A 0 gives us descending order, making the highest number rank 1. If you prefer the smallest number to rank first, use 1 for ascending order instead. For this example, I want descending order, so I stick with 0. After closing the parentheses and hitting Enter, Excel gives us the rank for that sale. Drag the formula down to rank the rest of your data. Next up, the second method, using a pivot table. Click anywhere in your dataset. Go to Insert Pivot Table and press OK. Now drag Name to Rows and Sales to Values twice. For the second sales field, right-click, choose Value Field Settings. Go to Show Values As and select Rank Largest to Smallest. Finally, right-click the pivot table, choose Sort, and pick Largest to Smallest again. Just like that, you've ranked your sales using a pivot table. For the third method, let's tackle this with Power Query. Especially helpful when your data has duplicates. Right-click on your data, select Get Data from Table Range, and press OK. In Power Query, go to the Add Column tab and select Index Column. From 1, this creates a running number for each row, acting as a rank. Once done, go to Home, Close and Load to bring your ranked data back into Excel. But what happens if you have duplicates? Let's say the top sales value repeats, giving you 2 rank ones. With Power Query, you can fix this easily. Modify your data, then go to Data, refresh all. Power Query reprocesses the ranks, keeping them clean and unique. No manual adjustments needed. And that's it. 3 powerful ways to rank your sales data. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.